After learning about 360 videos, it's your turn to make your own 360 video. A family wants to go on a vacation, but they don't know which biome to visit. A biome is a place like a desert, rainforest, ocean, or tundra. Your job is to make a 360-degree video that shows what it's like in each biome. And you can point out the special features in each biome and help the family pick the best place to go on their trip. This video will show you how to get started by adding backgrounds to your project. As you can see here on this page, we need to go into Clever, Mr. Thomas's picture, and then into Delightex. So I'm going to switch over to Clever, open up Mr. Thomas's page by clicking on him, and going to Delightex. Once logged in, go ahead and click on your class, and you should see 3 assignments: AR biome, VR biome, and 360 biome. We're going to start with the 360 biome. Once inside the 360 biome, go ahead and click the Scenes tab, and you can see that our 360 video has 4 scenes: a desert, grassland, water, and forest. These are the 4 biomes that we're going to focus on for this project. Begin by clicking on the desert biome, and to add a 360 background, come down here to the bottom and click on Environment. And we're going to let the computer pick a background for you based on our criteria. Click this button here at the bottom that says Create AI 360-degree image. We have to enter a prompt. We want a desert biome, so type that in the box, then click Create. The creating process might take a while, so just be patient. Once the image is loaded, you can look around and check out your 360 creation. We now need to repeat this process for the other biomes. So now click on Grassland, go down to Create AI 360 image, and type in Grassland biome, and let AI create a 360 background for you. Now repeat the same process for the other 2 biomes. With each biome now having a 360 image, you're ready to go on to the next step in our project and add a tour guide to show the family all around each biome. Return to Canvas and start working on step number 2.